Welcome to Farm Solution. I am Firdos, a graduate of Animal Husbandry from Bangladesh Agricultural University. In my bachelor degree, here I study on scientific way of animal rearing. Making shed for animal is very much important for better production. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel for enrich your farming knowledge. Today I share with you about the shed preparation. Shade preparation is normally two type. Is two type one single row shade and double row shade. Again, double row shade contain two type, head out and head in. In this picture, you are watching head out double row shade, which is very much important for better production and better management of animal. In this picture, each of the animal need to 1.5 meter by 1.2 meter standing space. Contain two gutter row which 0.6 meter wide. Gutter row used for animal manure and animal waste clearing purpose. Between two gutter there is a 1.5 meter central alley. Central alleys help to center help to work wash animal and keep better take care. Outside of two row, the shed contain two feeding trough 1.07 meter where worker supply feed to animal. Beside feeding trough, there contain feeding alley of 1.5 meter wide. In this animation picture, you are watching head out shade. Again, this picture contains the real view of head out system. That means it has another name, tail in system or head out system, which is equal. Today, this is the topic. If you have any question about animal shed preparation, please comment. Feel free to comment. I will cordially answer. Thank you very much for watching my video.